With a fully loaded portfolio of solutions, Leica is a partner of choice of your ENT activity. The new PROVIDO helps you to work seamlessly in ENT because this is an easy-to-use surgical microscope. Thanks to the unique FusionOptic technology with an extended depth of field, avoiding refocusing, you see everything you need to see. PROVIDO's design offers you and your assistant an unparalleled visualization in achieving greater results in precision, work ergonomically, maneuver easily with only 2 fingers, PROVIDO stays in position and follows your commands.
First of all, it's very intuitive and very easy to use.
The first or the second assistants, they have the same view like the surgeon. They can see the end point like the first surgeon. They have the same view. It's very important because they help you to have a good surgery. We can recommend it. It's a nice microscope. A nice view, nice optic, and nice magnification.